Make your development environment as powerful as your ideas. With AI-powered Microsoft Quantum Development Kit, learn quantum concepts, build and execute quantum programs, and get AI assistance every step of the way. Bring your own workflow with flexible quantum programming across multiple languages. See your code come to life with advanced circuit visualization. Architect resilient systems with built-in error correction design. And optimize ahead of time using precise resource estimation. Build end-to-end quantum applications with comprehensive domain libraries. The tools you need are already built in. Simulate straight from your local environment or deploy and run on real quantum hardware. Microsoft Quantum Development Kit. Start building today.